Hey guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. You know how it goes down on this channel. I am starting with freshly washed, conditioned and blow dried hair. Asked someone to help me part my hair to make the work easy. Yes, because we are working smart over here and not hard. So I braided my hair 6 times before I added the extension. And you guys will pardon me. I lost the clips where I brushed out the Brazilian wool because I think it's going to give that fluffy effect. That is why I brushed it out, and it's going to look more natural. So it is really very easy. You cut the wool into the length you want, and then you go in with a brush and you just brush it out. That is basically what I did. It is so easy. You brush it out and you don't have to comb it afterwards, because as you're brushing it's already straightening it out. Oh my goodness, English is hard, man. So yeah, that is that. And I really wanted it short. I don't even know, there is just something when you start braiding your hair on your own, it's like you are never going back. Because tell me why, whenever I do my hair, doing my hair myself is really therapeutic, because it gives me enough time to think about my future. I mean, imagine someone asking you who did your hair, you're like, I did it myself. I mean, don't get me wrong, it can be very stressful, but think of it as a, a date with yourself, if you know what I mean. Yeah, just think of it as a date with yourself to relax, unwind, think positive things, and as well, you might as well watch your favorite show, just to keep yourself busy, because doing your hair on your own, it requires, yeah, a lot a lot of strength, and arm strength to be precise, because it's not easy. But for me, I feel like I prefer doing my hair myself. Yeah, because I know how to control the tension on my scalp, and I I always get it right. I always get it right. When you go to do your hair at the salon and they do it and you are not satisfied, yeah, I'm sorry, but that can never be me. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That can never be me, because yeah, I always get it right. I always almost get it right. Yeah, this is me being biased, but you know, after all, I have to pat myself on the back for doing my hair myself. It is a big flex. When you start doing your hair yourself, I don't think it's like there's no going back. There is no going back. It's just like people who um who don't keep hair at all. People who cut their hair. Who who are always on low cut. It's like once you go bald or you keep low cut, there is absolutely no going back, because it's like so much freedom out there. Is absolutely no going back. For me, it is doing my hair myself. I've become so used to doing my hair myself. Like, I don't like other people doing my hair, minus the fact that it has ended in tears so many times, and I've had horrible experiences. I just feel like, yeah, yep. I got to do it myself. I got to do it myself. So, um, enough of the chit chat. So here, I was just adding the extension, the Brazilian wool, where my hair ends, to make sure that the hair is thick enough to cover my own hair, because it's different. They are both different textures. So I add, I always add one strand when where my hair ends, to make sure it blends smoothly. So if I knew, I would have made the parts in the back a little smaller, because I first made them smaller, but I increased the size because I thought they were going to be too full. Yeah, but overall that is the way it is supposed to be. Actually full, very full. I mean, they are fluffy braids after all, so yeah, there is that. Like I was saying, doing your hair on your own is such a big flex, and I get so many compliments when I do my hair myself. And like somebody will ask you, who did your hair? I'm like, I did it myself. I mean, it's such a big flex, and it's also a way to practice making hair. You can start practicing on yourself before you can practice on other people, and it helps you to try new things. You know, it's good to try new things. I love doing things on my own. I like DIY projects, and doing my hair is something that I really, 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 really like, and I don't think I can ever get tired of it. Nah, I don't think I can ever get tired of it. It might take hours, but it is worth it. It might take the whole night, but I mean, I might just, you see me today with another hair, and tomorrow, and boom, I'm with a new hairstyle. You know, it's a big flex. I mean, don't play, don't play, guys. This is me, almost halfway done. Oh, guys, like I was saying, you want to make sure you braid it down like about 6 times before you add in the extension, because it's going to give that smooth transition. It's not going to look bulky at the roots. Yeah, it's not going to look bulky at the roots, but you can add in very tiny, I mean very, very tiny bits of wool if you want it to last long. Because the thing is, since I do my hair myself, I keep my hair in for a maximum of 4 weeks. That is really, really a stretch, because I'm really trying to be consistent. At the same time, I do not want to over manipulate my hair, because over manipulation will lead to breakage. I cut my hair. I recently cut my hair, and you have not seen that video. I am going to link it somewhere on the screen. Make sure you watch that, and why I cut my hair. So yeah, I want to grow back my hair. My hair was about a bra strap length, and I cut it to like almost like I did like the tapered cut. It's really short at the back. I wanted a blonde cut, a blonde bob cut, and that is what I achieved. I like when my hair grows and falls all on the same level. So if you haven't seen that video, I am going to link it on the screen. And if you have watched up to this point, thank you very, very much. I really, really appreciate you guys. Also, please, if you like to support me, I have all my videos in a playlist. I am really trying to get monetized. I have been on YouTube for for a way long time, and I think I deserve to be monetized. I deserve to make money off of this YouTube, because I have invested so much. So please, if you like to support me, especially those watching me from out of Cameroon, you can just run my playlist on your smart TVs, or those of you who have smart TVs, you can let it play and go to work or just go about your daily activities. That is really, really going to help me, because watch time has been like the bane of my existence. I actually almost got monetized once, but I wasn't accepted into the YouTube Partners program because I was held for reuse content, so my channel wasn't monetized, and that really discouraged me and made me to take a very long break. I did not post any content for any long form content though for like more than a year, because one of the rules on YouTube, if you don't post for 6 months, yeah, it's going to be a problem. So I posted a couple of shorts, but nah, I don't want to grow my channel with shorts, so I am going to continue posting my long form videos. So please guys, if you really want to support me, just run my playlist. I have all my videos in a single playlist. You can just play that at your convenience. You don't have to watch it. Like I said, just let it play, just let it run, and God will really bless you for me, because I have really tried. I have tried in these YouTube streets. I mean, a lot of people who I started with, they're already monetized, and I would really love to be monetized as well. So please, if you want to support me, do that. Do that for long life, and God will bless you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. Oof. Like I was saying, I really love doing my hair by myself, and I have a lot of amazing hair content ideas lined up, so make sure you stay tuned for that. You do not want to miss it. So I curled the ends of the braids, because why not, you know? So I curled the ends and I dipped it in hot water, very hot water. And in case you want to recreate this time, make sure you have somebody around to help you, because hot water is no joke. I've had a horrible experience with hot water before, so I do this because I have been doing it for a while and I know how to take precautionary measures. So yeah, that is the final look. We have come to the end of this video. So tell me what you think. Do you like? I wish I had made them a little shorter, or let it all be at the same length. I really like when my hair falls all at the same length, but it came out quite nicely. I really like it, and I rocked this hair for like 3 weeks, I think, yeah, 4 weeks before taking it out. So like I said, guys, support me, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.